about you, but I keep getting questions like, how do you clean like a professional? Where do I learn to clean like a professional? And is there like your top 3 tips that you can share with us, Amber? Well, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber Swanson. On this channel, we talk a lot about tips and tricks to help you save time and money when it comes to cleaning your home. So consider subscribing. So the first thing I want to share with you is you want to make sure that you have a strategy. All professional house cleaners have to have a strategy in regards to how they manage their time and how efficient things are getting done. So of course, you want to make sure you put quality over quantity, and it really comes down to what you're good at and mastering that in regards to your time. So if you're cleaning your home just not on a professional standpoint, you can master the skills by having tasks per day, having daily chores, setting up a routine, and just working each week or each day on a different area. That's going to help you stay up on your cleaning game. The second thing I want to share with you is you want to set up systems and ways that's going to allow you to clean more fast and efficient. And that's what I was talking about. Quality over quantity is going to be your best friend. So in order to do that, the number one way to go about it is cleaning in a system where you clean from top to bottom, left to right, and it all comes down to what your preferences are. So if you're a shorty like me, high reach area is a little difficult to clean, so you may want to invest in a ladder, different things that's going to accommodate your specific preferences. Whether you have bad knees, bad back, you want to find different equipment and different things that's going to allow you to enhance your time and where your preferences are. Side note would be letting your products and chemicals sit for a minute or so, doing a little bit of YouTube research, because now the internet, we have free resources to learn so many different ways and different products that come out every year that's going to help up the level of your game. And if you want to continue to learn how to clean like a professional, it's always a learning curve in this industry. There's always new products, new materials, new chemicals, and different things that you're going to want to learn to accommodate your techniques depending on where your preference is. And so if you haven't already, I would recommend that in each area or zone that you're going to clean, that you have a little cleaning caddy set up, and it can just be simple, from an all-purpose cleaner, sponges, cloths, and just keeping it simple. And if you're not sure what products to use, I'll leave resources in the description below on different products, supplies, and equipment that I would highly recommend from an eco-friendly perspective. So the third thing I want to share with you is the best way to learn to clean is by observation, practice, and most important, tweaking it. That was best said by Angela Brown. So thank you, Angela Brown, so much for your amazing YouTube videos, but also your mentoring and coaching throughout this time span has helped me grow my business. And so pretty much what she's saying is you're going to have to go through a lot of products, solutions, chemicals, different tools and equipment that's going to help you to clean your home efficiently to meet your specific style and standard. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.